This video is to show you how to install Salesforce for Outlook. First, please make sure you are already signed into Salesforce on your preferred browser. Second, visit www.umail.utah.edu and sign in with your CIS credentials. While in Umail, on your browser, click on the gear or cog icon on the top right of your screen. Then click Manage Add-ins. On the new page, click the plus icon. A drop-down will open, and we want to choose the first option, Add from the Office Store. You will be taken to a new page. On this new page, search Salesforce, all one word. Click the Salesforce option. When you see this page, click the Get It Now option. You will be prompted to agree to the terms and conditions. Click Continue. Once verified, you will be routed back to the Add-ins page. Click Install. The installation can take a while, and you may need to restart Outlook. You will know Salesforce has installed when you see it on the Home tab on the far right side in Outlook. A blue cloud with the word View appears. Clicking on this for the first time will ask you to log in. Make sure you are already logged into Salesforce on your browser before clicking Login. Once your login is verified, you will be asked to confirm its connection to Outlook. Click Confirm. Now that you have done all the steps, you can now see the Salesforce features. Salesforce is even available in your new messages. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to the Salesforce team. Thank you.